This bad boy is as nippy as it looks, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. The BMW 1200GS Style 6V battery electric motorbike is one of the most realistic looking motorbikes we sell here at RiiRoo. The sporty design and aerodynamic body are modelled on the BMW GS Style motorcycle, bringing the road going model down to a kid's size. They'll love it. It's suitable for children of up to 4 years of age or up to 102 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Integrated multimedia console.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Realistic multi-spoke rims. Just look at the attention to detail of the brake discs. Throttle acceleration method. Removable safety stabilisers for those that have transitioned to just riding the bike with two wheels. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.